Hi guys, Tanya Van here with Tanya's Bling. I'm a Paparazzi Accessories independent consultant and producer, and I am here with January's Fashion Fix set, which these sets are gorgeous. So stay tuned for this. I will show you all the sets, and I will also just tell you about the Fashion Fix program. And so I have here hanging out with me a special guest, my son SJ. Well, you hang out over there with your gifts, and we are gonna get to this gorgeous jewelry. So Fashion Fix is basically a monthly subscription that you can sign up for as a consultant. It's great because it allows you to have jewelry that not every other consultant has that you can show, although that's the beauty of paparazzi anyways, because the jewelry changes daily. We all have different jewelry anyway that we can sell and share with our customers. But with Fashion Fix, these are more exclusive and gorgeous in their sets. So you get a necklace, matching earrings, another set of earrings, a bracelet, and a ring. Typically. Sometimes that varies a little, but that's typically what you get. In addition to that, they send you a pack of exclusives that only people in Fashion Fix will have available, and we can't even order more. Once we sell these or keep them, that's it. So you get this pack as well, and then you also get your pack of Hostess rewards. Sometimes there's specials and you get double Hostess rewards, which is great. And in the month of December and January this year, we also got the Christmas ornament, which is beautiful. We also get these Stylist Cards, which are great. On the Stylist Cards, there will be a description of or stylist tips that you can use when you are having hosted parties or going live. You can share different tips about the jewelry. And then there's also a description of what each item is. And what some consultants will do when they sell the first set, if you buy the first set, then you get the stylist card with your set of jewelry. And it's kind of like an incentive to get people to purchase more quickly. Another thing you could do is make copies of this and put it in with every set that you sell. So that's another thought. And you know, you could just put it on regular paper, or you could even take a picture of it and send it electronically with everybody who purchases the jewelry. So those are some thoughts and ideas of what to do with these stylist cards, because they're really helpful. All right, so let's go ahead with Magnificent Musings. So this is the necklace, which is really beautiful. And I do see that kind of grit and glam that they describe. That is beautiful. These are the matching earrings, and it's a shorter necklace. So that is gorgeous. I love the thicker silver chain, and I do love how they mention it has the different shapes. So you've got the kind of like the rectangular shape mixed in with the circles. Kind of gives it that edgy look. The bracelet, which they described well as being a statement piece. This is it. So that pairs in perfectly with that necklace. And then you've got your earrings, which as they described it, looks like they kind of just fell off of the necklace. So those are the earrings. I love those earrings. These are gorgeous. I love the length and kind of the bigness of the size, so they really will stand out. So this is such a beautiful set. And then you've got your ring, which is definitely a statement piece that will definitely be noticed. So the ring then picks up the circles in the bracelet, and then the earrings pick up the squares mostly, or rectangles in the necklace. Super cute. If you want to see it, how it looks on, kind of has this look to it. And as you can see, they matched it up with the leather, which looks really cute. Okay, the next set is gonna be simply Santa Fe, and it is the turquoise as usual. And this is the necklace, which is silver, circular shape, hammered effect. gorgeous, varying size circles there, thicker silver chain, beautiful matching earrings, which those earrings are really cute and versatile. You can wear those with other things too. I love the turquoise mixed with black. I also like it with cream, and I love it with tan. So you can do a lot with that turquoise color there, and white. It looks gorgeous with white as well, and gray. This is the bracelet. So it matches the necklace perfectly, and it's kind of a cuff, so you just slide that on like that. Super cute. The earrings are gorgeous. I love these. Look at the size. Those are beautiful. So those are the matching earrings. I don't have the matching ring because I sold a turquoise set that was up on my board, and the person who purchased that set took this ring. So this is the ring, and I didn't notice. That's the ring. This was the ring that he was supposed to get with his set, and he didn't take that one because I guess he wanted a turquoise ring, so he took this one. Moving on to the next set. The next set is Glimpses of Malibu, and it is beautiful. This is Glimpses of Malibu. Looks even prettier in person. So this is the necklace. Look at that. Look at the color. So gorgeous. And look at the shine. I mean, it's unbelievable this jewelry is only $5 because the quality that they put into this jewelry is impeccable. It's got a thicker silver chain, beautiful purple little matching earrings. Isn't that fun and cute? Love it. And then this is the bracelet. So fun. And you just open that up and slip that on, which is really cute with that necklace. Look at that, so cute. And then you've got this as your ring. It's really pretty and dainty. Super cute. So that's the ring. And then the earrings, ooh, these are gorgeous. These are gonna be the earrings. Look at those. They've been giving us good size with these larger earrings, which I'm super happy about. So that is gonna be that set there. Definitely a seller. This set will sell, I'm sure, very well. So that is Glimpses of Malibu. The way Paparazzi Fashion Fix works is you put in your order on the 4th, or you could take pre-orders, but just let people know that it's not guaranteed, of course. And then on the 4th is when the it's kind of like locked in your back office with a countdown, and then on the 4th at midnight is when that countdown ends, and then you can place your order for the actual items and however many items you've pre-sold or you would like to purchase and then sell, however you want to do it. But that set is gonna do really well, I'm sure. So make sure you are waiting at midnight to purchase if you want to get some of that. So the next set is Sunset Sightings. So this is the next set. I love this set. It's kind of got like a, I don't know, I feel kind of like a boho, relaxed vibe to it. This set will go well with a lot of different things. You've got a long silver necklace with that silver hammered circular disc on it. You've got these oval shaped, kind of get the hammering is going in those as well. Another circle, and then lots of charms down here in a tassel, and it's longer. So it hangs kind of more like that. Super cute. A matching bracelet, same hammered look to that. Got an extended chain on there, so you can make it the size you need. This is the ring. This ring does also have that hammered detail on it as well. I like the swishes of it. That's cute. And then look at these earrings, guys. OMG. Whoa. See that? Gorgeous, long, hammered. Those are beautiful. Fiercely Fifth Avenue is gonna be the last set, which is always, it's kind of that more formal, elegant look to it. So you got a long silver chain, which leads you to this beautiful charm here with the bling and the pearls. That is gorgeous, all clustered together. And then you've got matching little pearl earrings. So it looks kind of more like this. Super cute. Bangles, which has the bling rhinestones and the pearls on them as well. The ring, which you've got the rhinestones and the pearl on there. It's really pretty. The skinny band. All of our rings are adjustable, so if this ring doesn't fit you, if it's too big, which this is actually fitting me kind of tight, but if it is too big, you can pop off, cut off some of these bars to make it tighter. If it's too tight, then you can run a blow dryer on the hot setting and kind of stretch it out like this and let it stretch a little bit. That can loosen it. And I do have another YouTube video about how to adjust these rings, so check that out on my channel. And then these are the bigger earrings that you could purchase separately. These are gorgeous. They've got the pearls and the rhinestones on those as well. You can see there. Really pretty. I love a hoop that has some character to it. So those are all the sets, and then you've got your exclusives and your hostess rewards as well. So definitely a great value and something that I would suggest that you sign up for, you know, so that you're getting that each month and you can offer that to your customers. And even if they didn't sell, it's great to have these matching sets of jewelry that you can wear as a consultant to, you know, advertise the product that you sell. So I forgot to show my jewelry. So I've got on this gorgeous choker with the rhinestones going across it. These super cute earrings, dangle earrings with the rhinestones going around the center here. Just a simple little skinny band ring, and then a gorgeous bigger black ring with this black bracelet here. It's stretchy, so you just slip that on. And of course, I'm sure you know, with Paparazzi Accessories, all of our jewelry is for only $5. It's all lead and nickel free and gorgeous. Unless you get some of the bigger statement pieces like that right there on Queen Bling back there, that one's $25. But for the most part, it's all $5. And you can check out my website, which will be in the description box, to take a look at more. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. God bless. Bye.